name's Fiona and welcome back to Crafted by Rose. In today's video I have an unboxing for you. It is the little box of crochet, so these are the newer boxes that you get now. So let's get into this box and see what we have. So I love these boxes, they're so sturdy. You can always store things in them after you've done the project. So we have our pink tissue paper. Hey, let's crochet. And I am one of these people that peel these labels off very carefully. I don't like tearing them. I don't know why, it's just a thing. So let's see what we've got. So here is our pattern booklet for this month's box. So we're making this duffel bag here, so in very neutral colours. So this was an August box. Summer underfoot. So you get the instruction note this time from Amanda, Emma and Hazel. So this is your contents page, so we get to see everything that we get in this book. So we have got quite a few extra gifts this time. So each month we seem to be getting more and more. I love this colour palette, the neutrals in it, love it. So conversion chart if you're working in UK terms or you work in US, so you don't get confused or mixed up. As normal, the pattern is always written out very clearly and you get photos to go with it in case you get stuck at any point. So that is the pattern. Always written very clearly with plenty of photos to demonstrate. There's the designer of this one, Kate Eastwood, and there's a little chat with Kate Eastwood behind what drove her to do crochet and how she feels about the work that she's done, and we've got some pictures of her work as well. Then a spotlight on new designer. Oh, and we've got a pasta recipe in this one. That's a new thing. We don't normally. Oh, actually, I think I've come across this before. She mixes crochet with jewellery design as well. So she mixes the two. I love the idea of mixing two crafts that you love. I mean, look at that. That's just beautiful. So you want to check her out. There's her details here. That's some of her work there. And here. So, and here as well. So I would really recommend checking out her work. It's beautiful. So go along to her website. I would say her name, but I can't pronounce it properly. So there is your box. Sorry, there is your booklet. Then we have your little postcard that you get, Crochet Lover, which works really well if you're doing flat lays. You can use them in your flat lays for your Instagram posts. Then we have the matching pattern book. No, sorry, sketchbook. So you can map out any crochet ideas that you've got. You can jot them down in here, plot out different patterns. Very nice. Then we have this cute little coin purse. I love coin purses like this. There we go. And it's nice pink on the inside. I remember these as a little kid. When I was a kid, I could never open them. Always found that these closures difficult. And that memory just stands out. And to be fair, even as an adult, they're a bit awkward, but they do keep your money safe. So and I love them anyway. So that's a beautiful little coin purse, and it is style and quality kiss purse, 100% cotton oilcloth, imported by Rex International. Then we have, what's this? So you can make a felted fish brooch. So that's a new craft for you to try if you haven't tried it before. Working with felt. I've never done one of these type of crafts. I'd be interested to see if it goes well. That is something you could perhaps do with yourself and your little, if you have a little one in your life. The two of you could try doing this little project together. Then we have our bespoke stitch marker. This one's really pretty. So this time working with a new stitch marker, independent stitch marker maker. So this is this. So it's from the lady that does the jewellery mixing the crochet. Is it? I swear it's. Hold on. Yeah. So that is from the lady who mixes crochet and jewellery work together. So that is one of her stitch markers. And it's really pretty and sparkly. And you've got your rose gold little lobster claw clasp and your jump ring. Then you've got your crochet hook for this box. So you've got another more bespoke hook. Not so much bespoke, but it's more of a luxury crochet hook. So it's a yarn and colours one. So let's open this up and have a look. So a little bit about yarn and colours crochet hooks. So this is a rose gold crochet hook. The rose crochet hook is designed and produced with care to be convenient and fancy. So a little bit of luxury with convenience. It has a smooth aluminium needle. So your aluminium needle at the top and hook, which is with a rose gold finish, and the elastomer grip, which is soft, durable and recyclable. It's the ergonomic handle, so it doesn't tie your hands so quickly. And you can change the unique charms on the bottom. So you can add some bling to your crochet hooks. There we go. So that's interchangeable. You can change it out for a different one when you want to. So just have a little bit of bling on the end of your crochet hook, and they are really soft in your hands. So I think these will work really well. So that is your yarn and colours rose gold crochet hook. Then we have some Rapture delicate wash for your so once you've completed your project and you want to wash it, I tend to wash my completed projects by hand. So this is especially designed to be used with natural fibres, and it does work really well and it smells amazing. So if I remember right, this is a little small company in Canada, so it helps to keep your natural materials like your cotton or your wool. It helps to keep them in good condition longer. So that is your Rapture Jasmine. We're still having our standard darning needle. This one's a little bit thinner than normal with your felted ball, and then you have your neutral shade of the yarn and colours Epic. So this is birch, so it's kind of like a sandy grey colour. So I think we've got, yeah, so we have 4 of the birch shade. Again, this is Yarn and Colours Epic and it is nice and soft. And then you have 3 of the Yarn and Colours Epic in cream, which makes your beautiful duffel bag. Is it? Yes, duffel bag. I just think that's really pretty. I'm looking forward to making that. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I've enjoyed sharing all this with you. If you have enjoyed today's video, then please do give it a like. If you would like to see more content like this, then please do click on the subscribe button. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you have your notifications bell turned on. That way you won't miss out when I upload another video. So again, thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see all of you in the next one. Bye!